What is our climate change? Why is it changing?
Our climate is the Earth's normal weather over a very long time. It usually takes 100 or 1,000 of years for the climate change. But recently, our climate has been changing much faster. All these changes make life harder for our plants, animals, and for people around the world. And the biggest cause of climate change is human, including you and me. When we use fuel like oil and gasoline, or remove forests to make room for cities and farms, we release greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. These greenhouse gases cause our climate to get warmer. Normally, when the heat from the sun warms our planet, some of the heat reflects back into space. But greenhouse gases act like a big blanket, holding some of it in. These extra heat can cause all sorts of problems for our planet and the plants, animals, and people who live here. Our ice and snow are melting faster. Our oceans are getting warmer and higher. And our weather is becoming more extreme, with more heat waves, heavy rainfalls, and powerful hurricanes.
This process is called the greenhouse effect, and it is caused by the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases can come from sources like volcano eruptions, natural wildfires, and animal and plant decomposition. When there is too much of these gases, the Earth will remove them from the atmosphere through the forests and oceans. This process keeps the Earth warm and is necessary to sustain life on Earth. Nature has been regulating this balance for billions of years. However, for the past centuries, human activity has tipped the balance in a new direction. By burning fossil fuels to power our civilization, producing our food through industrial farming and careless disposal of waste, we are filling the atmosphere with greenhouse gases faster than the Earth's ability to remove them. To make matters worse, deforestation has further decreased Earth's ability to remove the excess gases, which trap more heat than necessary, and as a result, our planet is getting warmer and warmer. Compared to before the industrial era, the global temperature has risen by at least 1.1 degrees Celsius. It may not sound like a lot, but the impact it has made over time is devastating. One of the most well-known issues to a warmer planet is the melting of our polar ice caps, which causes the sea level to rise, leading to the increase of destructive flooding in many coastal areas. We've also seen a significant increase in other extreme weather events, such as heat waves, cyclones, and blizzards in the past decade. These weather anomalies also cause a decrease in the global crops yield, leading to food insecurities in many areas. And the change in the temperature also impacts the sea, killing marine life and affecting at least 1 billion people who rely on the sea for their protein source. Environmental scientists warn that if global temperatures rise by more than 2 degrees Celsius, the consequences will be severe and in some cases irreversible. And to prevent it from happening, it requires a coordinated global effort by everyone on this planet. You may feel that your contribution is insignificant, but if everyone's doing it, then the impact will be huge.
Luckily, many countries around the world are working together to fight climate change. And there are lots of easy ways you and I can help too, like reusing things instead of throwing them out. Instead of driving, ride your bike or take the bus. Use less electricity. And eat food grown closer to home. You and I, we can make a difference. We can fight climate change.